Hi everyone and welcome. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Umbria. We are in the lovely town of Città di Castello, beautifully located. In a 5-minute drive we get to the border with Tuscany. Arezzo is 40 minutes away, 1 hour away to Cortona, Perugia, Gubbio and Assisi. In terms of airports, the airport of Perugia is 40 minutes away, the one in Florence is just 1 hour and 30 minutes away, and Rome is just over 2 hours drive away. Città di Castello is enclosed by long stretches of walls built in the 1500s. And here one finds the breath of art in the enchanting atmosphere of the historic center, in the elegant Renaissance architecture, in the courtyards and loggias of noble mansions. Today's property is just as charming as this town, and it is embedded on the top floor of an historical palazzo that I can't wait to show you. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The Palazzo has been fully restored and it dates back to the end of the 1600s. It immediately starts with this imposing entrance hall that straight away welcomes us into this fantastic courtyard. Architecturally beautiful, wonderfully restored, and I love these gorgeous arches and this beautiful herringbone pattern on the floor. And the way that this huge courtyard gives so much light to the inside of the palazzo. The building is laid on 2 levels. All of the floors are connected with each other with this historical staircase, but also with this very useful elevator. Let's now go upstairs. The property is the penthouse of this building. It is located on the 2nd and last floor with a total of 160 square meters, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It starts with a cozy entrance room paved with terracotta and conveniently connected to a useful service bathroom right beside the main living area. Through a few steps, we get to the charming heart of the property. The owner is an artist, and you can really tell how much soul, personality, and love for the detail he put into this place. With these beautiful wooden beams on the ceiling, typical of Italian homes, the chestnut parquet floor giving warmth to the space, and last but not least, this imposing, gorgeous fireplace made out of stone dating back to the 1700s. This is for sure the ideal place to sit back, relax, and enjoy a nice glass of Italian wine while having an interesting conversation. As I said earlier, this space is the heart of the home. And from here we get to the rest of the rooms. On this side, let's start with the kitchen space. It is such a bright and large room. In fact, it's just as wide as the living area we've just seen. And it is divided into 2 parts. This one on my left, which is used as a dining area right in front of the window that sees right outside. And on the right, we have this gorgeous kitchen characterized by these beautiful colors. And by the way, it's built in. Right beside the kitchen, we get to the art studio of the owner. This is where all of his gorgeous paintings are given life to. And on the left, it leads through a door to a useful storage room. This space could also be easily turned into an office space or a sitting area. We are now back to the living area, and we're going to have a closer look to the bedrooms of the home. They are two, and they are respectively on each side of this hallway. Also here we find parquet floor, and both rooms share this useful bathroom in the middle. We've now gotten to the end of today's property tour. I sincerely loved to show you this home, and I really think it would be perfect for someone that is dreaming of Italy and would love to own a little gem embedded in a charming town. I hope you liked it just as much as I did, and before I leave you, I would love for you to subscribe to our channel for new videos every Wednesday. I will see you soon. Ciao.